And hello there Gundam fans and folks, this is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now what we have here is one of the mobile suits featured in the Gundam Seed Freedom Movie. We have the Gyan Strom, and this is Agnes Gibenrath Custom. Yes, the Moonlight Valkyrie's mobile suit from the movie. So as you can see here, we see the Gyan Strom with her signature weapons, which is a shield and of course the axe. And off to the side, we see that it also has the seed action system. You can see you can do different poses for it, and of course it has different gimmicks such as the shield and the axe having some beam effects. Yeah. And off to the other side, we see Gyan Strom front and back, and of course some information about the movie. So that's all inside. Oh, sorry, that's all for the box. Now let's take a look inside. Okay. So first up, we have one bag with 1, 2, 3 screws and a large sticker sheet. Another bag with 1, 2, 3 more screws. Another bag with 3 more screws. One more bag with 3 more screws, this time with more white and light blue. Another bag with 3 more screws there. And of course the instruction manual. And we see here Agnes here, which is nicknamed the Moonlight Valkyrie. And yes, this is a compass mobile suit. And spoiler alert to those who haven't seen the movie yet, she turns traitor. Now let's take a look individually at the sprues. Okay, now first off, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue, a small one. We have some light blue, some dark blue, some gray. Yeah, mostly weapons and parts of the backpack. So that's the A sprue. We don't have a B sprue, but we have a C sprue, which is another multicolored one with black, dark blue, light blue, and some white. So still seeing parts of the shield, armor, and feet. Yep. We also have a D1, which is all white, so parts of the legs are visible from here, and the head as well. It also comes with a D2, some duplicate parts for the shoulders and the arms. We also have a E1, which is all gray, so parts for the limbs, feet, and an E2, which also has some parts for the feet and limbs and some of the weapons. We also have an F1, which is the light blue color here, more parts of the armor, and of course an F2, red parts, so I think this is for the shield and stuff. A G1, which is interestingly a beam parts effect. That's the G1. G2 here continues on for the parts of the shield, the gold accents that is. And we have some extra other parts, which is the XA1. More parts for the backpack. And XA2, still some parts of the backpack here. And XB, which are exhausts for the backpack, polycaps, and beam saber effects. And let's not forget the large sticker sheet, mostly the light blue, some pink for the mono eye, red and dark blue, and some gray. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HGCE from the Gundam Seed Freedom Movie Gyan Strom, which is Agnes Gibenrath Custom. Yes, there is another Gyan Strom, which is a P Bandai, and I hope to get it. But let's see. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, sharing the videos, liking the videos, commenting. And until next time, see you and thank you.